growing up, I really enjoyed looking at just the night sky. My aunts got me a telescope for Christmas one year. I remember my dad and I would go out on the beach at night growing up, and we would just look through the telescope at the stars, and I just thought it would be really cool to build something that would discover more of what's out there. So I've been working here for just over 3 years. When I got hired, I started out as a design engineer. So I helped with design of some of the secondary structures of Blue Ghost. I helped with design of harnessing and MLI. And I also did some work on some GSE, which is ground support equipment. Then I started transitioning over to AI&T, assembly, integration, and test. And I helped with writing work instructions for integrating all of the harnesses on the lander. I've worked with techs to install a bunch of things on the lander, such as all of the harnessing, brackets, payloads. I'm just really excited to see all of the hardware that we've built actually in space and on the moon. It's going to be really awesome to just see something that all of us came together to build, see it working, and doing all of the really cool science experiments on the moon. My name is Weidmann, and we're landing on the moon.